Hello, I'm John Russell. Let's continue exploring the consonant sounds of American English. In previous videos, I talked about how consonant sounds involve some kind of obstruction of the airstream. Today, let's talk about consonant sounds that are made with the blade of the tongue and the hard palate. The hard palate is the part of your mouth that is behind your teeth, perhaps 1 to 2 centimeters back. Speakers of American English produce 4 different sounds in this area of the mouth. Those sounds are sh, zh, ch, j, sh, as in sheep or wish, zh, as in genre, ch, as in church or chicken, and j, as in justice or judge. Note that the zh sound, as in genre, rarely begins a word in American English. In general, words that have this sound at the beginning are of foreign origin, such as genre or Jean or Jacques. To practice making the sh, as in sheep or wish sound, you can start with an S sound, as in say, then move your tongue back and up to make the sh sound, as in shape. Say, shape. You will know you are making the sound correctly when you feel the air cooling off the top of your tongue and the part of your mouth that is just behind your teeth. Note that my lips are round for all of these sounds. Sh, zh, ch, j. The obstruction is inside the mouth, not outside at the lips. That's all for today. Keep up the good work.